What is CMD? CMD is short for Command Prompt. It's a tool on your computer. It lets you give your computer instructions. You use text commands, not your mouse. CMD is powerful. You can do lots of things. You can move files, create folders, and even run programs. It might look simple, but it's very useful. Learning CMD is a good step to learning more about computers. Opening the command prompt is the first step to accessing the powerful command line interface on your computer. Before you can use CMD, you need to open it. The process varies slightly depending on the operating system you are using. Here's how you do it on different computer systems. Each operating system has its own method for accessing the command prompt. On Windows, click the Windows button, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like a small flag. In the search box that appears, type CMD. This is short for command prompt. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt window. On a Mac, the process is a bit different. First, open the Applications folder, which you can find in the Finder. Next, go to the Utilities folder within Applications. Here you will find an application called Terminal. Double-click on it. Now you should see a black window with white text. This is the interface where you can type commands. This is the command prompt. From here, you can execute various commands to control your computer and perform tasks. Basic navigation, moving around. Imagine CMD like a map. Just like a map helps you navigate through different locations, the command prompt helps you navigate through different directories on your computer. You can move between different places, or folders, on your computer. Think of each folder as a different room in a house. You can go from one room to another by using specific commands. Here's how. The CD command stands for change directory. It's like telling the computer, I want to go to this room. You use it to move into a folder. For instance, if you want to go into a folder named Projects, you would type CD Projects. For example, to move into a folder called Documents, type CD Documents and press Enter. This action will take you directly into the Documents folder, just like opening a door to enter a room. The or two dots, this takes you back one level. It's like stepping back into the hallway from a room. For example, if you're inside the Documents folder, typing CD and pressing Enter will take you back to the previous folder. This is useful when you want to retrace your steps. The or / this lets you specify a path from the root of your drive. For example, typing cd/users/yourname/documents will take you directly to the Documents folder from anywhere on your computer. This is like having a direct route to a specific room, no matter where you are in the house. The dir command is like taking inventory. It shows you what's inside a folder. Type dir and press Enter. You'll see a list of files and folders in the current directory. Each line in the list gives you information about a file or folder, like its name, size, and date modified. You can create new folders directly from CMD. This is a quick and efficient way to manage your files without needing to navigate through multiple windows or menus. This is useful for organizing your files. Imagine having all your project files neatly sorted into specific folders, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. The mkdir command makes a new directory, or folder. This command is short for make directory and is one of the most fundamental commands you'll use. For example, to create a folder called My Projects, type mkdir My Projects and press Enter. This will instantly create a new folder named My Projects in your current directory. The rmdir command removes an empty directory. It's important to note that the directory must be empty before you can delete it using this command. For example, to remove the folder My Projects, type rmdir My Projects and press Enter. This will delete the My Projects folder, provided it is empty. Make sure it's empty first. If the folder contains files or other directories, you'll need to delete those first or use a different command to force the deletion. Now you know some basic CMD commands. Practice using them. The more you use these commands, the more comfortable you'll become with managing your files through the command prompt. CMD might seem a little scary at first, but once you learn the basics, it's a powerful tool for managing your computer. With practice, you'll be able to navigate and organize your files with ease, making your workflow more efficient and streamlined.